Okay, here's the HM611A hand vacuum cleaner in a charging dock. You notice the three blue indicator lights are on and showing that it's fully charged right now. So I'll take the vacuum cleaner off of the dock and I'll run it a minute or so and put it back on the dock, and then you'll see the lights start flashing, showing it's charging again. And we'll wait until the three lights come on again, indicating it's fully charged, and we'll see that the lights don't go off after it's fully charged. Okay, here we go. Oops. The vacuum cleaner is running now, and the lights stay on. I'll turn it off and put it back on the charger again. Okay. Okay, now you see that there's only two lights stays lit, and the third one is flashing, indicating that it's charging right now. So I guess we'll wait for a minute or so. Shouldn't take long to charge. Still charging. I think it took 4 or 5 minutes to charge after I get fully charged after I tried this small experiment a couple of minutes ago. So we'll see. Okay, it's stopped charging and the lights are staying lit. We'll give it another minute. It's in days past, it's just stayed on every time I put the vacuum back on the charger, and it gets charged again, and the 3 lights light. It just stays that way for days until I take the vacuum cleaner and start using it again, and same thing will happen. Okay, that probably should demonstrate it enough. I don't know how long these things, when they're streaming, I might not be able to email it to you. I'll stop it now.